ever happened to you when you get a flat? Yep, happens to me all the time. What do? You phone your brother. Yeah. Or you should do what they always tell you to do, and that is check your user manual. And apparently step 1 is we crack the nuts. What does that mean? Oh, everyone. Yay. It's righty tighty, lefty loosey. You can do it! So now that the nuts are cracked, we need to make sure we put our car in first gear with the handbrake up. Next, we're going to take the jack and we are going to find where the jacking point is. So you look in your user manual to find where your jacking point is. It's usually underneath the car. It's like a big thick piece of metal. Line it up. To the north, to the north. Hey!
Okay, back wheels off the ground.
Next.
Undo the wheel.
How do I undo the wheel?
You crack them further.
I crack them further. Ooh, 4 nuts. Take it off. Oh, heavier than you think it is. So we're going to get the spare wheel out, which is underneath in the boot. It's usually playing hide and seek somewhere, so you'll probably have to unscrew it. Okay, yep. We are putting on. So we need to line up these little chaichis that are over here with these big screw thingamabobbies. Best position is spread eagle. Voila. Oh, no, yes. And then hold them back like you're holding back the 300 army. And then we're taking the nuts and putting them back on as far as we can go. We're going to put this down and then crank it again. We are lefty loosey. We are finished. Look at me, the champion. And so what we're going to do now is tighten them in the sequence of top, bottom, left, right. Top, bottom, left, right. So not in a circle. And we are going to make it righty-tighty. So let's definitely do some skills here. Bottom, little bit, left, little bit, right, little bit. And when you come back to the top again, you might feel that it actually feels loose again. That's why we keep doing the sequence up until it gets really tight. So it's just a little bit, little bit, little bit. Voila!